Andrew's Doers, welcome to Reese's Pancakes.
So what's in a Reese's pancake?
Peanut butter crunch chocolate chips.
Okay.
Peanut butter. There.
So what are we starting with? Starting with some pancake mix?
Yeah. Where is that? Yes.
Okay, pancake mix. And then the ingredient, the recipe is on the box. So what does it say? How much pancake mix?
1 cup.
1 cup?
Oh.
Okay, do we want?
Oh, Elena.
Okay, that looks good. Okay, so a cup goes in.
Just need to level it off.
Okay. Put it in here. Nicely done. Okay. And then how much water?
4 cups of water.
Okay. So, we have our water in there.
See?
And what do you do? Do you leave it like that, or do you have to do something to it?
Mix it and make it homogeneous.
That's right.
Oh,
So to make these Reese pancakes, I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of melted peanut butter. Can you? And some chocolate chips. Large pinchy pinch. Stir it up.
there.
And we've pre-oiled our pan.
Don't touch.
Don't touch what? I've poured out 3 pancakes. Now, are they done instantly, or do you have to wait a little bit?
Wait.
Okay, so what are we going to talk about with people while we wait?
Maybe a part 2.
Oh, do you want to time-lapse it, or do you want to tell them how much you like your new haircut, or what's your...
Andrew's Doers, welcome to Reese's Peanut Butter Cups part 2.
So our pancakes are done. And we have a little bit of melted chocolate chips as our chocolate sauce. Oh, Sophie, you deserve one of these also. Sophie. Surprise.
Oh. There, and...
Okay, so you've drizzled it with peanut butter. And put some Reese on it. And let's show it to people. What do you think? What do you think? Thumbs up. What else do you...
Subscribe, like, share, bar merchandise, etc.